Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own website without writing a single line of code. So the way we are going to do it is by using another website. So it's kind of cool, right? We are going to create our own website without using a single line of code by using another website. So this always amuses me how technology has evolved and making our lives better. Anyways, let's come back to the context, and we are going to use a website called as wix.com, so which I have opened it right now. We are going to use wix.com to create our own website. So if you head to wix.com, you will see something like this if you are not signed in. So so the sentence that they have written, the freedom to create anything, is actually they mean it. I'll show you in a bit what do they mean by that. And the important, again, cool feature do they have is Wix ADI. It's something called as artificial intelligence. You just need to answer few questions, and right in front of you it will create your own website. So we'll give it a try, and you can have a look. They have so many features, and yeah, to be honest, there are even several other platforms. So I prefer and recommend you guys to use Wix because they are available in multiple currencies, and they have lot of features compared to other online website creation tools. So let's head to the creation. So if you click on this sign in button, if you're the first time, you need to create an account. So I've already signed in. So when you sign in, you'll see something like this. So this is our dashboard. You have help section which will open up a new window. So if you want any help questions, and here you will be shown your site. So we don't have any sites right now, so we'll create a site. Okay, so it asks us what kind of website do you want to create. So for this video we'll create a blogging website. So as I said before, Wix has some AI technology which will create a website automatically for us, or we can use our Wix editor which has thousands of design features and templates. So let's try with Wix ADI. So it might ask us some few questions now. So what type of site do you want to create? So I'll create a business blog. Okay, next. Does your website need any of these features? I need get subscribers. I'm not going to sell anything. Okay, let's give it a name. So for this video, I'll give it just business. Where is your business located? India. Help Wix ADI get to know AMK business. Wix ADI will search online to gather info for your website. You will be able to review and edit everything before you go live. Okay, we didn't find your business online obviously. So okay, review and see, it even allows us to have add our own logo. Currently I do not have, so let's just skip that and go to the next. So pick a style you like. So I like clean. Okay, let's just select sky high for this video. So as you can see, it's creating our website which has certain of 9 steps. Okay, let's just have patience and wait and see what happens. So as you can see, it has created several templates automatically, and we can use these one or any of these three because it is not scrolling down. Okay, those are just three of them. So I like this one, middle one, and if we click on the edit site, it should take us to the editor now. Here it is. So it's congratulating me, I think so. Here it is, the first version of your website. Keep going. ADI will show you how to create the rest of your website. Click the circle below to exit or rejoin the tour at any time. Okay. So here are the tips and what's next, what I need to do. Okay. Anyways, so here are the sections and different tools that Wix provides us to create and modify our own website. So what we'll do is we'll try to modify this image with something of our own. So here is the image section. So another cool feature of Wix is it provides us the, according to the particular section, it provides us the recommended image. So as of this is a business website, so it's providing me appropriate relevant images. So even free from Wix allows you to have several different images of different categories that you can use freely on your website so that you don't have any copyright issues, and you can even create upload your own images completely free of cost. So let's see. So I have a background. Okay, it's uploading. So it has been uploaded. Let's just apply it. Here we can see. So this is a title of my website. So if you guys remember just a few minutes ago, this it has been asked to me the question, what is the name of your website? It has just naturally put it into there. So we can modify this and I can change it to anything I want actually. So here are the, as it is a blog website, so here are the posts which automatically it has been created. So if you want to publish this, so here it is telling me that okay, our site is automatically saved. So if you are wondering how this website will look through my mobile, so here you can go through this PC icon. It is iMac maybe, yeah. So go to this, hover over this and go to the mobile section, and it will automatically show you how your website will look in the mobile. So nowadays mobile is the very hot trend for the last recent years. So you need to design your website which will look pretty enough in the mobile also. So this is how our website will look in the mobile. And to be sure, if you try to do this on your own, it takes huge amount of huge amount of code and man hours. So this is how Wix helps us. And let's go back to the desktop section and see what other tools we have. So if these are the pages, so website is made up of collection of pages. So if you want, you can add your own page. So let's just add about page. Okay, so it has automatically added. So the only thing that you guys need to do is just modify the info. It has done anything, it has done everything for us. So just modify, put about you. So just a random info that I'm adding here. So that now that we have added several pages, and actually I want to tell you that the reason why it is not showing us all the tools is because we have earlier we have selected Wix ADI that will automatically create a website for us. So it's not allowing us to have several different options. If you choose to create manually to design, so I will show you that in a minute. So before that, if we want to launch this website to the internet, free of cost. You can see a publish button at the top right corner. Just click on it. So it will ask you what will be the URL for your website. So for every website we need a domain, right? So for if you are using a free, if you are using a free version, Wix already provides us with the static address, that is Akhil Kokani, that is my name, dot wixsite.com slash forward slash. You can modify this. Let's see, it's available with my name. Okay, so if I click, yes, it has been published. So let's just view how our website will look online. So this is the website that we have created in just a few minutes. So as you can see, everything works out fine. It's super cool. You can create your own website. So as we have used free version of Wix, so this will be shown here. So even coming to the pricing point, Wix has a very reasonable offer that they do. So here you can see you can even add colors, fonts, animation. So anyways, I would like to go back. So here it is. Yeah. So here what I was talking about, as we are using Wix ADI, it doesn't show us the entire options of the Wix, because we will want to make it fast, and artificial intelligence will help us to do the things. So if we click on the use advanced editor and click on go to the Wix editor, so now what it does is it gives us the complete control, and you can see more options are given to us. So let's just wait till it loads. So as we have loaded for the first time, it will show us how we can understand things, what things are here, how these things work all together. So as you can see this. Let's begin with simple things. So up here is the menu bar. It gives us several different options if you just move your cursor over it, like for this toolbar, grid lines, snap to objects. I will explain those things in a minute. So this is the info panel, that's what they call it maybe. And this is the info panel where they will show you they will give you several different options. So for example, if I click on this, so here you can, if you hold this, it allows us to copy this element, and if you just click on this, it will duplicate. So that's really easy. And if you click on this trash icon, it will delete the element for us. And so yes, so if you have overlapped a few different elements, it allows us to bring us forward and take us back also these elements, and even shows us few properties, that is width, height, position. So the position, it automatically calculates and puts it there. So let's see what other stuff we have here. So if you see these dotted lines, these are nothing but it is a grid, and Wix recommends us to put any element inside this grid. So let's just try to add some options. So here you can see they give us so many options. Let's come down, let's try to add a very big title. So if you try to move, as you can see, it allows us to indicate where we are putting it, and so you can have a better judgment on what you are doing. So just let's just add a random title. So the reason why that pink line is showing up is because that means I'm okay. Okay, so here you can see the reason why that pink line is showing up is because that means I am adding it exactly at the center, horizontally at center. of the grid. So if you try to add out of this grid, you will see a warnings that some people won't see this, because Wix recommends us to add the elements inside the grid so that it fits perfectly for all different sizes of screens, even in mobiles, because it has been designed automatically. So let's try to add different things. So if you want to add your own gallery of images, vector art, images, so let's just try to add something creative. Okay, so what if you want to add a slideshow, something like this? So let's just click on it. So by seeing an appropriate position, it automatically adds. So you have the complete control on the size, the position. So this has been automatically coded. You don't need to write anything. So if you click here, when you click on element, it has some sub options that it provides. So if you click on manage slides, so you can reorder these slides. Okay, so for this slide, let's just change the background. As you can see, the other cool feature is you can add a video even as a background. So let's try first change the color. So as you can see, we have changed the background color of this slide. We can even add a image. So as I said before, you can upload your own images, and Wix allows us to select the same image. So we know how to do this. Let's select a video. So even videos are provided by Wix. So let's just select this, suits for passion maybe. Yes. So you don't need to publish your website all the time and go check it out. How does it look? You can just click on the preview button and see. This is how it looks. So as I said before, if you want to know how your website looks and feels for the users in your mobile, just click here on the mobile section and it should automatically show you how the things are going on in the backend. So if you click on preview, it should show you the mobile version. See, everything is fixed perfectly. You don't need to do any of the coding stuff, and your times is saved a lot. So it's cool, right? Okay, meet your site on mobile. You can start customizing it here. Changes won't affect how your site looks on website. Okay, so the meaning, what it means is, if you try to modify your site here, it won't modify my site on the PC. So that's what it means. Okay, so let's just bring this more down in mobile and not in PC. Let's just click on save. So now let's see in the PC. Okay, so if you see in the mobile section, we have much more gap compared to the PC view section, right? So this is the flexibility and the freedom that Wix provides, that you can create anything. So they have such a built-in great tools. So coming back to the next, we have different options as well. You can create your own apps. You can add your own apps as well to your website. So for example, if you want to add a site search functionality to your website, that you have written thousands of blogs, if you want your users to search, so this is completely free of cost, and even it has premium version. And or if you are a developer that you want to create your own apps for Wix, they have documentations. You can just Google about it, or if you want me to do a video on that, do let me know in the comment section. So this is it. So if you want to publish it again, just click on the publish section and it has been published. So if you click on the view site, now we will see our updated site up and running. So here it is, our new website. So this is the new element that we have added. Looks perfectly fine and really awesome. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you feel, what you guys created using Wix, and what you feel. Do let me know in the comment section below and share it with your friends so that even they can learn and explore. And if you are new here, consider subscribing for knowing of such videos, for share it with your friends, family, etc. Until then, see ya, bye, take care.